Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing time today. Got one from Japan today, but yeah, let's get into it, shall we? All right. Jeez, Louise. That was difficult there for a second. Boom. Ooh, okay. We got another box inside here. Ooh, okay. I see a logo here. All right, let's see if we can slide it out. Maybe? Yes. There we go. Woo! Got this nice little Dancing with Happy Time since 1988 thing here. And spoiler alert. But let's see what we got here. Aha! Shout out to this guy for bubble wrapping it extra well. I appreciate that. Okay. Almost in there. You know what? Might be able to slide her out. Let's see. Yes, I am able. Kobe. Okay, there goes the battery cover. I guess that means I should check the batteries, see what we got going on. Okay, that one is very clean, actually. Okay. Very clean. I like it. This is the Small World Ceremony clock, the original Small World Ceremony. There are a couple clocks in this series. I've actually unboxed one already. This one is supposed to be brand new, with the stickers, of course. You know, I love my stickers. I will pay extra for stickers, a lot extra. I shouldn't, but I do. But yeah, let's get some batteries in it, see what it does, shall we? And, okay, this battery cover must not stay on. I can see the light blinking, so that is a good sign. But, let's see. Sweet. Awesome. This one is very satisfying to watch. I just gotta say, with the little guys like bending their like metal like legs. That was such a weird description of it, but it's so satisfying to watch. You can't tell me that's not satisfying to watch. And the way the face opens and closes, of course. But yeah. But anyways, think that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, as always. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, have an awesome day. Peace. I don't like the music though. It reminds me of the circus, and I don't like clowns. Clowns are scary. Just normal clowns, not even like the It clown. Just all clowns are scary.